Hi Trevor, this is Max at Loganville Ford. This is the 2008 Chevy Avalanche you inquired about. Great news, it is available. It's in excellent condition, Trevor. We put a lot of money and a lot of work into it to get it right. Make it look decent. It's, like I said, Trevor, it's in excellent condition. If you would, please give me a call, Max at Loganville Ford. 770-554-9994. Once again, it's Max at Loganville Ford. 770-554-9994. And this is the 2008 very clean Avalanche with entertainment system, sunroof. It's loaded. I'll be calling you shortly, and hopefully this is going to be in your garage soon. It's a Z71 4x4